you're talking about because I can't even hear you. What? Oh.
Hi.
Oh,
The smell, sister.
Please excuse my French.
Wait, that's what they say? I think so. What the heck is that? Oh, that's just. I'm gonna Simpsonize myself. Okay, done with that. Who's calling me now? Hello. Hi. Yeah. I found your skirt and my mom just hasn't sent it yet. Oh, I'll check for it. Oh, wait, what? Oh, okay. Okay. Bye. You know, as attractive as that was. Natalie, stop it. So, yeah, I'm going to talk. What was that? Sorry, what?
I'm upside down. Wait, that's my shirt. Now I'm upside down.
Okay, so I'm gonna tell you a really funny joke that me and my sister did. Let's do a reenactment, shall we? Gesture.
No.
Okay, so.
Wait, let me get here. Okay.
Let's take it first.
This is a loner.
Your butt's a loner.
Actually, there's two chicks, so technically they're together. Wait, you can see that. Together.
That was a reenactment for you. That was so funny. Yeah, well, the smell of the dirt, and I am forced to spend most of my time with this little creepo. Gesture.
I'm a little creeper.
This is starting to scare me. I don't know about you guys, but I think you're frightened. No. I won't listen to music ever again. I won't able to. It's my iPod.
No, I know. I wanna.
Go get that.
No.
Go get it.
Bang!
Okay, well, I hope you all enjoy.